Hilliard. I got so much motherfucking design on right now.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Maulana Yusuf, NPM 244111059, kelas MNJ 24A. Sampling methods and distribution are foundation for reliable data analysis. This presentation explores the critical techniques used to gather representative data and understand how sample statistics relate to the broader population. Why we sample? The need for representative data. Impracticality of cases. Analyzing an entire population is often too costly, time-consuming, or physically impossible. Sampling provides a practical alternative. Accuracy and speed. A well distributed sample can provide information that is used accurate, if not more so than a poorly executed census in a fraction of the time. Resource efficiency. Sampling significantly reduces the financial and human resources required for data collection and analysis. Quality control. Smaller samples allow for more intense and higher quality screenings of data points, ensuring better accuracy. Non-probability sampling. When convenience and judgment prevail, these methods do not rely on random selection and are often used in exploratory research or when budget time constraints are severe. They do not allow for relevant statistical generalization to the population. Convenience sampling. Selection subjects that are more accurate or easy to reach. High rates of bias. Snowball sampling. Participants recruit future subjects from their network for hard-to-reach populations or niche studies. Quota sampling. Ensuring the sample population is segmented into mutually exclusive subgroups. Good selection within subgroups is non-random. Judgmental purpose sampling. Selection methods to rely on the research knowledge and credibility used to select a population, experts, or highly specific group. Sampling distribution, the break from sample population. The sampling distribution is the probability distribution of a statistic, like the mean of net from a large number of samples. Draw from a specific population is fundamental to inferential statistics. The central limit theorem atau CLT. The CLT is the cornerstone of sampling theory. It states that given a sufficiently large sample size typical, the distribution of sample means will be approximately normal distributed. Digits of the set of the original population distribution. The mean of sampling distribution equals the population mean. The standard deviation, standard error. This allows us to use the scores and t-distributions to calculate confidence intervals and perform hypothesis tests. Probability sampling, ensuring every voice is heard. Probability sampling methods guarantees that every element in population has a non-zero chance of being selected, minimizing selection bias and allowing for statistical inference. Simple random sample. Each member has an equal chance of selection, often expressed using random number generations, basic for most statistical tests. Systematic sampling. Selection every key element after a random star ensures converts alters a population is profits is no hidden probability. Strength field sampling. Splitting the population into overlapping subgroups, stars and then sampling proportionals from each witness recitations of k subgroups. Cluster sampling. Dividing the population into groups, clusters, then randomly selection, and share to sample ideal for geographically dispersed population. Key takeaways and best practice for effective sampling. 1. Define the scope. Clearly identify the target population, the parameter of interest, main promotion age, and the required precision level before starting. Calculation sample size. Use statistical formulas involving designated confidence level and margin of error to determine the minimum required sample size for validity. 3. Prioritize randoms whenever possible. Witness probability sample methods SRS Starcivel to ensure generalizability and minimize schematic bias. Account for non-response. Antilepsy non-response bias implementing follow-up strategies or statistical weighting then quiz to maintain sample integrity.